yun yung memories ko.
Later on, the black one passed away years ago. So
The cookie, number 13.
Wanda Cookie.
Ito ang pangalan, no? Wanda na Cookie.
Cookie pa, o diba?
Yes.
Si Wanda Cookie parang nataas, Queen of Peas. While not a direct flower symbol, she often carries wet flowers, especially lilies and roses. Again, that is Kimchi. Reina de las Flores, Queen of the Flowers. Pink symbolizes grace, femininity, and love, making it a perfect offering to the Virgin Mary. Often wears soft pastel or
Joseph Suman with Java. Kevin the Banana with Lexi. Lexi and Kevin are wearing a red
We were good.
sequin dress for Lexi Mario as Queen Helena. Translates to Queen Helena. She is the central figure in the Santa Cruzan, the culminating event of the month. The month floors
wow, nature na nature. And pet
I love how we play on TV.
Vinny for number 22, Reina Abogada, the defender of the oppressed. Draped in elegance and dignity, our costume draws inspiration from Reina Abogada, the queen lawyer, a powerful symbol of justice, advocacy, and compassion. She stands not merely as a figure of beauty, but as a protector of the poor, the voice of the voiceless, and a champion of what is right. Her presence in the procession reminds us of the moral duty of upholding.
Concepcion with Elvis. Elvis and Tita Concepcion joins Pets de Mayo in Capitol Commons with all for pets. Elvis walks in an elaborate couture costume representing Constantino, the traditional escort of the Reina Helena in Flores de Mayo. Elvis's Santa Cruzan costume is highlighted with a floral rose scarf of red, orange and gold, and wears a royal Constantine crown. 36. Danilo Sumarino with Snowy. Number 28. Zabby and Zigzag. Our Reina and Zigzag was surrendered to her care on April 5, 2024 at approximately 3 months old with a broken necrotic tail from a car accident. Half of his tail fell off, leaving the other half in a zigzag shape, hence his name. He is unbothered by his short crooked tail and remains to be one happy boy who is now a year and a half old. He is also a parvo survivor. Zappy, Gina, and Artemis. Our Reina de las Flores, mga giliw at mga kurado, kanauhin, nakabiboto, at kapag nagdiriwan ng Flores de Mayo. Ipinapakilala po namin sa inyo ng buong galang at paggalang. Ang dalawang tunay na simbolo ng kagandahan at pananampalataya sa ating kapistahan, ang ating mga Reina de las Flores. Bilang Gina, isang huwagan ng kagandahan at debosyon. Tito Morales and Elvin. Ang huli